Hey guys, just want to give you a quick video tutorial on taking a math test in goformative, just in case you haven't done this before. So this is what it'll look like once you get into the test, whether it's if I give you a link or some kind of a code to get in or whatever it takes. But once you get there, this is what it will look like. So a couple things, you're going to see the test over here, and this will just simply be the test that I have created and uploaded, usually as like a PDF file. I just upload it to goformative, and then I can adjust what the question numbers are and all that kind of good stuff. So up here you're going to see how many questions there are, and once you answer a question over here, this will light up blue so that you'll know what you've done and how many you have left to go. So first things first, as you see the questions over here on the left, these are where you will type the answers that you have for each question. You are going by the numbers that you see in blue, not the numbers you see in black. So for example, this is going to be the first question that you answer. This will be the second question that you answer. This will be the third, so on and so on. So you're going by the blue circles, not the numbers that you see right here. And so those blue circles will match up with these blue circles. So as you're typing in your answers to these, super important, you got to read the directions that you see right here, because if you're told something specific like write your answer as a fraction, write your answer as a decimal, leave your answer in simplest radical form, whatever, really important that you write your answer however those directions say to write the answer, otherwise it will be wrong. Because the way this works is when I create these tests, I create what is accepted as the answer. So like let's just say the answer is 1.5. Right? Well, if I, in the directions here, if I type in write your answer as an exact decimal, right, the only answer I will have created as an acceptable answer would be 1.5. So if you type in your answer as 3/2, when you submit this test, the program will grade it wrong if it doesn't fit the exact answer that I created in the system. So really important that if you're given specific directions right here on how to write your answer, that you type it in exactly that way. So with these guys being math questions, when you need to use a calculator, like let's just say it said write your answer as radical. Right, so you'll find that right here in the calculator. So you just click on the calculator, and then you could click on the radical, and then now I can type in my answer as a radical. If it said something about writing your answer as a fraction, you'll see features like this right here. So I can just click on this, and then now I can create the fraction. So like let's just say it was 1/2. I can type 1/2, and there's my answer. If you ever want to shrink the calculator so you're not looking at all of this, just click on the calculator again and it'll hide the calculator. But this is again where you'll go to put in any of the fancy calculator stuff that you might need for typing in your answer. I'm just going to shrink that, and then you go on to the next question. And yes, I know that this is not the answer to this. I'm just trying to give you examples on how this would look. So again, if I need to type in, like let's just say your answer was 5.5, and the direction said write your answer as a mixed number, and so I need to type it as 5.5. So I'm going to type in 5, and then I'm going to go to the calculator, click this little fraction button, and now I can type in 1/2. And then if I want to hide the calculator, I can hide the calculator. But again, it's going to be super important that you follow the directions for how to write your answer. If this was an answer and the directions did not specifically say how to write your answer, then I would have put in all the accepted answers like 5.5, 11/2, all that good stuff. So I'll put in all of those accepted answers unless the directions specifically say how to write it, and then you got to make sure you carefully follow these directions for how to do it. And so that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you just click on submit, and that will submit your test, and then I'll get the grade from there. So the program will grade it, and then I can give you feedback on how you did on the test and all that good stuff. So hope that helps. Good luck.